Good morning, students. So now in this lesson we are going to solve three numericals. Okay. In the last lecture we have seen the difference between mass and weight, and we are going to deal with the same point today, but in the form of numerical. Okay. So one by one we are going to solve three numericals. So question number one. Okay, for solving any numerical, one of the most important thing that you have to read the question properly first. You have to identify the given terms properly, and then you must know what you have to find. Okay, after knowing this all from the question itself, if you know the formula properly, you are going to get the correct answer. Okay, so what is the question? What will be the mass of Diana if her weight is 441.5 Newton? Okay, so the weight of Diana has been given in this particular question. So we are going to note it down. So given, so what is weight? It is W is equals to 441.5 Newton. Okay, which is given. What we have to find? We have to find the mass. So we don't know what is M. So M is equals to question mark. Then we will head towards the solution. So what is the formula of weight? Weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. What is the formula? Weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So now we know mass, we don't know what is mass, but we know the weight, that is 441.5. Okay, then acceleration due to gravity of earth, we all know that is 9.81. Okay, then to find the mass, therefore mass is equals to, now this 9.81, it is multiplying on the left, on the right hand side, it will divide in the left hand side. So 441.5 upon 9.81. Okay, so now we will divide it. Now here you can see 9.81, we don't know the table of 9.81. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove this particular decimal point. We want to remove it. Now in the numerator also there is 441.5. So after one digit there is a decimal point. And here in the denominator after 2-digit decimal point is there. So what we will do, we can eliminate at least one digit from this. So 441, it will become 4415 upon 98.1. Okay, then I will divide 10. I will divide and multiply 10. Okay, so that is 441.5 into 10 in the numerator, as well as 441 point, sorry, 98.1 into 10. Okay, so after multiplying 98.1 into 10, we are going to get 981. What we are going to get? We are going to get 981. So therefore mass is equals to 4415 into 10 upon 981. Okay, now we have to divide this. So 981 divided by 441, sorry, 4415 divided by 981. So we will divide this. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and 3 7s are 21. Okay, then here 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 3 1s are 3, then 3 8s, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 1 14 12 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, and 3 6s are 18, 3 6 are 18. So we get 1471.66 into 10 upon 327. This is the division. It is quite important to do this division properly. Okay. Then 1471.66 into 10 upon 327, which can be done by you easily. Okay. So that is 1471.6 upon 327. Okay. After dividing this, we are going to get mass is equals to what we are going to get. After dividing this 14716.6 upon 327, we are going to get mass is equals to 45.005. Okay, so 45.005 is the mass of Diana. Okay, it is quite important after writing the formula and putting down the values, the division which we are going to do or any mathematical operation which we are going to perform for any numerical, we have to do it with a proper attention. Okay, that there must be not a single step must not go wrong. Okay, now I will head towards another question. What is the question? If mass of Rohan is 50 kilogram, find his weight. Now in this particular question, what is given? Mass is given, that is 50 kilogram. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the weight. So weight is equals to question mark. Then we will head towards the solution. Okay, so solution इसका भी हम लोग को लिखना है. So we know the formula, weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. What is mass? It is 50 into acceleration due to gravity of Earth is 9.81. That is equals to, now 50 into 9.81, it is 98.1 into 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40, 0 4 carry upside, 5 9s are 45. This becomes 490.5 Newton. What is the weight? So weight of Rohan is 490.5 Newton. You have to write the final conclusive statement that weight of Rohan is 490.5 Newton. Okay. So these two questions which were related to the conversion of weight and mass, okay, with respect to the Earth. Now I will head towards another question. What is the question? What will be the weight of Neville on Moon if his weight on Earth is 490 Newton? Okay. The acceleration due to gravity of Moon is 1/6 of acceleration due to gravity of Earth. So the weight of Neville which is there on Earth, it is given to you, that is 490 Newton. Okay, we have to find his weight on Moon. What will be his weight on Moon? Okay, how we can find this? Now what is given? Weight on Earth. So we will take as WE. Okay, W suffix E. So WE, that is weight on Earth, is 490 Newton. What we have to find? Weight on Moon. So WM is equal to question mark. Now there is one more term which is given, that the acceleration due to gravity of Moon, acceleration due to gravity of Moon, that is G suffix M, is equal to 1/6 of acceleration due to gravity of Earth. So 1/6, that is 1/6. Okay, 1/6 times the acceleration due to gravity of Earth. Okay, so we know the acceleration due to gravity of Earth, that is 1/6 into, what is it? It is 9.81. Okay, so we have to divide this 9.81 by 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 9.3838. So 6 6 are 38. Sorry, 6 6 are 36. Then 2 left. 2 1 21. So 6 3s are 18. Okay. And again 3 left, 30, and 6 5s are 30. So we get acceleration due to gravity of moon is equal to 1.635 meter per second square. Okay, this is the acceleration due to gravity of moon. Now, by using this term, we are going to find the weight on moon. But before that, we know the formula of weight is mass into acceleration due to gravity. Now, mass is not given in this particular question. So first we have to find the mass. Okay. So we know weight on earth is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity of earth. Okay. So weight on earth is 490 equal to, we don't know what is mass. So mass into acceleration is 9.81. Okay. Then therefore mass is equals to 490 upon 9.81. Therefore mass is equals to, so the mass is going to be 490 upon 9.81. So after dividing this, we are going to get the answer, that is 49.94. What we are going to get? 49.94 kilograms. Okay, so this is the mass of Neville. Now by using this particular mass, we are going to find the weight on moon. So weight on moon is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity of moon. So mass is 49.94 into acceleration due to gravity of moon, which is, we have find it is 1.635. Okay, so after multiplying this term, we are going to get the weight on moon, and which is 81.66 Newton. What is the weight? 81.66 Newton. So in this particular numerical, you can see that the weight on moon is different and very much less than the weight on the earth. Weight on earth is 490 Newton, whereas weight on moon is 81.66 Newton. And this change is due to the change in acceleration due to gravity of this particular celestial body. Okay, so these are the three numericals. You have to know, write down this particular three numericals in your notebook, and there is one question for homework which is given in the description below. Okay, so in the next lecture we are going to end this particular chapter. Until then, thank you.